Story Nest.
Mia the little mouse, with her twitching pink nose and bright eyes, scurried about Oliver the owl's cozy burrow, gathering tiny wooden bowls and a bag of flour that looked enormous in her small paws. Oliver, perched on a low branch near the crackling fire, watched her with his large, gentle eyes, a warm smile gracing his feathered face. "Are you sure we have enough berries, Oliver?" Mia squeaked, carefully placing a jar filled with plump red berries on a small wooden table beside a bag of golden sugar. "More than enough, little friend," Oliver chuckled, his voice a soft hoot. "Tonight we shall bake the most magnificent berry cookies the Whispering Woods have ever tasted." As they mixed and stirred, the scent of warm dough and sweet berries filled the air, mingling with the cozy aroma of the crackling fire, and soon the burrow felt like the warmest, most wonderful place in the world.